Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we will learn about a fascinating topic of heavy machinery in all fields. These powerful devices not only help us complete complex cases, but also improve productivity. Let's explore the incredible power of these machines through the video right now. Let's observe the Lippmann 1300JE crusher, operating on impact crushing to crush rocks, stones, and gravel at total capacity. The material is transported from the loader into the feed hopper, leading to the crushing chamber containing two high-speed rotating impact bars. As the material enters the crushing chamber, it is struck by the impact bars, causing it to break into smaller sizes. A screening mesh is placed beneath the crushing chamber to sift the crushed material. Material more minor than the mesh size will pass through the screen, while material more significant than the mesh size will be returned to the crushing chamber for further crushing until it reaches the desired size. A conveyor belt then transports the screened crushed material to the collection point. The Carlton SP6016 is a specialized stump grinder manufactured by Carlton, a renowned company in the industrial machinery sector. The machine is designed to grind tree stumps with diameters of up to 30 inches, effectively addressing issues with tree stumps after cutting. The grinding system consists of 16 sharp-toothed saw blades arranged in 2 rows on the grinding disc. The blades are designed to cut and grind tree stumps into small pieces. As a result, this machine is trusted and chosen by forestry professionals for their operations. Have you ever wondered how the process of producing plywood unfolds? Let me describe it to you. Plywood is a wood product manufactured from thin layers of wood glued together. These thin layers are usually arranged so that the grain of each layer is perpendicular to the grain of the adjacent layer. This helps plywood to have strength and stability. The plywood manufacturing process involves several stages. First, the wood veneers are dried to remove moisture. Then, they are pressed together under high temperature and pressure to form plywood sheets. The plywood sheets are trimmed to size and sanded to achieve a smooth surface. Plywood manufacturers must closely control the quality of raw materials and process. The giant iron monster on your screen is a wheel loader, also called a front-end loader. This machine is designed to operate efficiently on rough terrain and muddy conditions and can quickly load large volumes of material. Equipped with a large bucket, it has a powerful drive system that facilitates the rapid loading of materials. Its sturdy frame and substantial weight ensure stability during operation, even on challenging terrain. The combination of the three giants in the mining industry, the Caterpillar 6060, the autonomous haul truck, and the bulldozer, represents the pinnacle of automation and efficiency in mining. Each machine plays a crucial role, contributing to a seamless and optimized mining system. The Caterpillar 6060, the world's largest front shovel excavator, boasts extraordinary power with a 60 cubic meter bucket, responsible for quickly and efficiently loading large volumes of material from the mine. The autonomous haul truck, the flexible transportation arm, autonomously moves under the control of the MineStar system, eliminating the risk of accidents caused by human error. The bulldozer, the reliable support, assists in leveling the ground, creating conditions for the Caterpillar 6060 to move and operate more efficiently. Pushing loose materials into the Caterpillar 6060's bucket increases mining efficiency. It also aids in cleaning up the mining area after completing the job. The Nextrencher D250 is a disc trencher mounted on an excavator, allowing for trenching depths of up to 80 centimeters and widths ranging from 12 to 25 centimeters. Specifically designed for urban trenching projects, it excels particularly well in rocky terrain. The standout feature of the Nextrencher D250 is its disc trenching system, which ensures clean and precise trenching according to project specifications. With its flexible rotation system, the machine can trench at right angles to the direction of excavator movement, making it suitable for connecting lateral pipelines to main pipelines. Its fully enclosed design minimizes impacts on the surrounding area and ensures operator safety. Vermeer T 1225 Terrain Leveler, the lord of land leveling designed to conquer the roughest terrains. Its superior cutting power of sharp blades effortlessly cuts through rigid materials like rock, clay, etc., quickly turning rugged terrains into flat surfaces. Its wide leveling blade enables fast and precise land leveling, providing a solid foundation for construction projects. During the autumn harvest season in the beautiful flower fields of the Netherlands, the flexible Fendt F231 GT machine has made harvesting increasingly convenient. Powered by a robust MAN 4-cylinder engine, it is fuel-efficient and well-suited for operations in flower gardens. Its Variomatic two-stage transmission allows for flexible speed adjustment to match each stage of flower picking. The full-time four-wheel steering system enables easy maneuverability in narrow flower rows and ensures stability during operation. The specially designed tulip harvesting arm gently picks flowers without damaging the plants. Harvesting tulips helps concentrate nutrients into the bulbs, promoting their growth and maximizing productivity. During the autumn harvest season in the beautiful flower fields of the Netherlands, the flexible Fendt F231 GT machine has made harvesting increasingly convenient. Powered by a robust MAN 4-cylinder engine, it is fuel-efficient and well-suited for operations in flower gardens. Its Variomatic 2-stage transmission allows for flexible speed adjustment to match each stage of flower picking. The full-time 4-wheel steering system enables easy maneuverability in narrow flower rows and ensures stability during operation. The specially designed tulip harvesting arm gently picks flowers without damaging the plants. Harvesting tulips helps concentrate nutrients into the bulbs, promoting their growth and maximizing productivity. The LX830C felling machine maneuvers flexibly in the forest, using sharp saw blades to fell trees and simultaneously remove branches, creating straight, neat tree stems. After being felled, the tree stems are pulled out of the harvesting area by the 630D and E620C skidders. These logging skidders have steel cables or grapples to safely and efficiently transport timber across rugged terrain. Finally, the timber is brought to the TigerCat H855C wood processing machine by the roadside. Here, the machine performs tasks such as debarking, sawing, and cutting timber into desired sizes, transforming raw timber into valuable finished wood products. The intelligent combination of these 4 types of machinery optimizes the timber harvesting process, enhancing efficiency and productivity while ensuring safety for workers and environmental protection. How do you feel after watching the technology videos we've brought you? Please share your thoughts with friends and subscribe to our channel for more. The John Deere Snowblower 1025R, your reliable assistant for winter, helping you efficiently clear snow during the cold season and providing safe and convenient transportation. With up to 26 horsepower, the John Deere Snowblower 1025R can handle thick snow quickly and easily. The machine can throw snow up to 20 feet away and up to 40 inches high, making it easy to clear snow from pathways, driveways, and yards. The electric start system lets you start the machine quickly and easily, even in freezing weather conditions. With its compact size and lightweight design, the John Deere Snowblower 1025R is the perfect choice for those looking for an easy-to-use snowblower to clear snow during the winter season. The J40 Jaw Crusher plays the role of the first assassin, crushing large rocks and chunks of concrete into smaller pieces. The powerful crushing force of the J40 turns raw materials into smaller stones suitable for the next stage. After escaping the claws of the J40, the crushed material enters the trap of the R70 screener. This screener is equipped with screens of various sizes and is responsible for classifying materials into desired grades. The Terex Fuchs MHL 385's port lifting cabin is designed for various port and industrial applications. The high-capacity bucket of the MHL 385 can lift to 80 tons. An extended reach of up to 52 feet allows for deep access into cargo holds and onto ships, barges, and rail cars. Overall, the Terex Fuchs MHL 385, with its port lifting cabin, is a versatile material handling machine suitable for various port and industrial applications.